Hi everyone, welcome to Share Sweetie. Today we'll be showing you how to make a healthy bread from wholemeal flour and rolled oats or oatmeal, I beg your pardon, and some chia seeds and spinach. It's a lovely bread. It's heavy. You can't eat much of it, and as you can see, my husband already took a couple of slices, and so he didn't leave me much. It's very simple, easy to make. And one thing I'll tell you, don't use a large loaf tin. Use a smaller one so it will rise higher. I didn't want it to be bigger slices. I want it to be thinner or smaller like this. But if you want it to look exactly like a loaf of bread, use the smaller tin. Anyway, we'll take you to the next step with the ingredients and how to make it step by step. Don't go away. See you soon. Let's begin first with the activating yeast. We got half a cup of warm milk and 1 cup of warm water. I'll add 1 teaspoon of sugar just to help the yeast to activate, and 1 sachet of yeast. We mix it well and leave it until yeast has activated for about 10-15 minutes. While waiting for the yeast to activate, we will start with the dry ingredients. I got 2 cups here of wholemeal flour, and then we'll add to it 1 cup of rolled oats, ground rolled oats. You can do it yourself with your food processor. And to this we will add some chia or seeds. I got some brown, 1 tablespoon of brown, or you want to call it red, whatever. And then I got the black ones as well. We'll give it a quick mix. This bread dough will be very soft and sticky, and that's how it's supposed to be. And we got about 100 grams or 100 grams or 150, depend what you like. Some baby spinach leaves. The recipe is asking to blend it, but I really don't. I like them to be chunk like that. And we'll mix it. And we will add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Some salt. As you can see, the yeast is really activated nicely. We will add it. And we will just mix it. You can use a spatula. I'm just using a normal metal spoon. Stainless steel spoon. Yeah, and we'll mix it. You will have a very soft dough. We will cover it and put it in a warm place to rest, and it won't double in size because of spinach and things in it. but you will leave it for 1.5 hours to 2 hours. I'll wet my fingers a little bit and wet the edges so the plastic wrapping will stick to it. Some here, because the plastic wrapping won't stick on plastic or metal, only on glass, so this will help it. Okay, we'll leave it and we will come back to it. It's been exactly 2 hours. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's nice. Now, I didn't add ginger or garlic to it because I didn't want it to have all that smell will come out while resting. So I'll add it now. That's a teaspoon of ginger and half a tablespoon of minced garlic. Okay. And I'll add some oats on my work surface. I'll just mix it like that. It's a sticky dough, like we said, but you can quickly roll it. And I got the loaf tin ready and I sprayed it with oil. Just grab it. Up and will be evenly distributed. Now the chef that made this, he said we needed to second proof again, but only for 35 minutes, not more than that, because he said if you leave it any longer it will collapse. So we'll cover it for 35 minutes and then we will bake it in a not very hot oven. It's about 170 degrees until it's golden in color on top. And I preheated the oven now because my oven takes about 25 minutes to reach its temperature. So in the oven, 170 degrees until golden brown. See you soon.